Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add family members on Facebook. To add a family member, simply click your profile in the upper left. Then go ahead and click on Edit Details under the intersection. Scroll down to where it says Relationship. Click on Add a Relationship Status. And you will find a section here that says Family Members. Just simply click on Add Family Member, and from here, you can simply type in the family member that you have. So if you have a family member on Facebook, you can go ahead and start searching for their name. And once you find them, you select it and you'll be able to add them. Now, once you select the member and add them, you will be able to also add the relationship as well. So this can be whichever of these relationship status that is there. And as you can see, there are a bunch of different status that you can choose from. So go ahead and select whichever you want. So let's say it's a stepchild. You can go ahead and do that. And of course, you can choose to make it public, private, or whichever options that you want to choose from. And then once you're done, you click on done, and then you can save it afterwards. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you go ahead and add a family member on Facebook.